everybody, I'm super excited about today's video. We are going to be making Nutella cookies. So, let's get started. In a stand-up mixer, mix together half a cup of butter, half a cup of Nutella, 1 cup of brown sugar, and half a cup of white sugar. Be on medium-high until everything is incorporated. Now add 1 egg and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Alright, now you're going to be on medium-high for 4 minutes. There should be a distinct color change when you finish. It should be a lot lighter of a brown. It should also be light and fluffy. Now add 1 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. Finally, last but not least, add 1.5 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Now roll out your cookies and put them on a cookie sheet. Now put them in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours before cooking. Bake for 9 to 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let them cool for 10 minutes before enjoying.